Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation explores the diagnostic trouble codes P0130-65 and P0134, which signify a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio AF sensor heater system for sensor 1 in the Honda CR-V 2023 and beyond. These trouble codes indicate an abnormality detected by the powertrain control module (PCM) related to the sensor heater's operation. Specifically, if the heater does not activate correctly or exhibits high internal resistance, the PCM stores these codes. Understanding these codes is crucial for effective troubleshooting, as they can impact the vehicle's emissions and engine performance. The AF sensor is vital for regulating the air-fuel mixture, making it essential to address these issues promptly to maintain optimal engine efficiency and compliance with emission standards. The AF sensor, or air-fuel ratio sensor, plays an essential role in managing the air-fuel mixture delivered to the engine. Specifically, Sensor 1 monitors the exhaust gases, supplying critical information to the powertrain control module, PCM, for adjusting fuel delivery and ensuring efficient combustion. Its heater is crucial for bringing the sensor up to operating temperature quickly, especially during cold starts. If the heater fails to operate or shows excessive resistance, the PCM detects this abnormality, leading to the setting of error codes P0130-65 and P0134. These components are located within the exhaust system, typically positioned upstream of the catalytic converter. Addressing any malfunctions in this system is vital for maintaining engine performance and minimizing emissions. The issues leading to the DTCs P0130-65 and P0134 can stem from several possible causes. An open circuit in the wiring could disrupt the signals necessary for the A5 sensor heater, causing the system to malfunction. Secondly, the powertrain control module, PCM, could be faulty, which would impair its ability to process and react to sensor information correctly. A defective A5 sensor itself is another common cause, which could result from wear and tear or external damage over time. Each of these factors must be assessed during troubleshooting to identify the root of the problem. Precise diagnosis is essential for determining the exact cause and for implementing the appropriate repair procedures. When the DTCs P0130-65 and P0134 are present, several symptoms might manifest, indicating potential issues. One of the most noticeable symptoms is poor fuel efficiency, as the engine management system may struggle to maintain the correct air-fuel mixture without accurate data from the AF sensor. Additionally, increased emissions can occur if the engine operates with an incorrect air-fuel ratio, which not only affects environmental performance, but can also trigger check engine lights. Engine performance issues may also present themselves, including rough idling, misfires, or decreased acceleration response. These symptoms can significantly impact the driving experience and should be investigated promptly to avoid further vehicle complications. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0130-65 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle without any load for at least 1 minute. This procedure helps to confirm that the engine reaches its normal operating conditions and allows for the AF sensor, sensor 1, to perform as intended. By idling in either park or neutral, the necessary internal temperatures are achieved, enabling accurate diagnostic readings. Monitoring the AF sensor's performance during this period provides insights into whether it is functioning correctly. If the heater fails to initialize shortly after this warm-up, it indicates further issues that need to be diagnosed under the next steps of the troubleshooting guide. The second step of the troubleshooting process focuses on inspecting the external circuit related to the AF sensor, sensor 1. This phase involves examining for any open wires that may disrupt the connection necessary for the heater to operate. Technicians should perform a resistance measurement on the circuit to determine if it falls within the specified limits, ideally reading less than 1 ohm. If resistance is significantly higher, it indicates a potential issue in the wiring harness that needs to be addressed. This inspection should be conducted carefully, ensuring that all connections are secure and undamaged, as wiring faults can often lead to sensor malfunctions that contribute to the stored DTCs. During the third step of troubleshooting, the focus shifts to inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM, operation. This procedure entails disconnecting the AF sensor, sensor 1, connector, and performing a unit output voltage inspection while ensuring the engine is running. The expected output should exceed 0.2 volts, confirming that the PCM is sending proper signals to the sensor. If the output voltage fails to meet this threshold, it suggests a malfunction within the PCM itself. Comprehensive testing at this stage is critical, as the PCM significantly influences the overall functioning of the engine management system. If the PCM is determined to be from the faulty items during this diagnosis, it may need to be repaired or replaced to eliminate the DTC. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the AF sensor, sensor 1, particularly if previous inspection results indicated normal conditions for other components. Technicians must perform checks to ascertain the sensor's operational status. If the AF sensor does not comply with expected performance metrics or fails to provide accurate readings, it can be concluded that the sensor itself is likely defective. Replacement of the AF sensor may then be necessary to resolve the DTCs. Properly assessing the condition of the sensor is crucial, as even minor malfunctions can disrupt the engine's air-fuel ratio management, leading to negative impacts on performance and emissions. After completing the necessary repairs, it is essential to perform a final verification process to ensure that the DTC P0130-65 and related issues have been resolved effectively. Start by rechecking the diagnostic trouble codes. If the codes have cleared, it suggests that the repair was successful. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be performed to observe its performance under various conditions. This drive will help confirm that the AF sensor, sensor 1, functions correctly in real-time scenarios, ensuring optimal air-fuel management. If any symptoms return, or if DTCs reappear, further diagnostics may be required. Thorough verification solidifies the integrity of the repairs and guarantees long-term reliability. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0130-65 and related issues, implementing a proactive maintenance strategy is vital. Regular inspections of the AF sensor and its associated wiring can help identify any early signs of wear or damage before they evolve into serious faults. Additionally, monitoring fuel quality is crucial. Using contaminated or low-quality fuels can adversely affect the sensor's longevity and operation. Furthermore, it is recommended to routinely check electronic connections for any corrosion or looseness, as these can lead to intermittent faults. Consistency in these preventive measures will ensure that the engine management system remains healthy and functions optimally over time, minimizing the risk of future issues. In conclusion, the DTCs P0130-65 and P0134 highlight issues with the AF sensor heater system, which is essential for maintaining engine efficiency and compliance with emissions regulations. Understanding the role of the AF sensor and its heater emphasizes the importance of proper function in the vehicle's overall performance. Regular monitoring of the heater's functionality guarantees that the sensor operates within its designed parameters, preventing potential engine issues. Following a detailed troubleshooting procedure allows technicians to accurately diagnose and rectify the underlying causes of the DTC. Taking these steps will ensure accurate engine performance and help mitigate any future occurrences of related trouble codes. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.